All right, we are live right now. Let me just quickly share a link. Hopefully everything is going to be working fine. I think it should be fine. Here we go. My hair is looking awful. It's no problem. Oh, oops. Yeah, so Tesla did touch 667. That is quite beautiful. Not quite sitting at the 670 target that I had laying for it. Welcome back. Make sure you tap the like button right now. Would appreciate that a lot. Let's see. DD is sitting at $8. Yeah, so like I've warned about before, my internet is very volatile right now. It's like the stock market, I'll tell you that. It is just wobbling back and forth. So what I want to do right here is I want to give you guys a link to the Discord. So if this live stream gets disconnected, we can continue in the Discord. So make sure you hit up the Discord. Join the Discord. There we go. So that if this live stream gets disconnected again, we can continue on the Discord. Because Tesla is going to have Q2 earnings very, very soon. Hold up. There we go. Also, you want to make sure that you follow the Instagram as well, because I've been posting some images and videos on the Instagram. You might want to take a look at that. Virgin Galactic is heading up. Good. DD. I am very bullish on DD right now. Immensely bullish. I made a $1,500 on DD today. Hopefully tomorrow is going to be a bullish day for DD. Let's see. My boy Garrett, drink a lot of water. Yeah, I'll make sure I'll drink a lot of water. I wonder why. I have a feeling that the live stream is not attracting a lot of people right now. It's really strange. Oh, well, it's going to be fine. Isn't it in like 2 hours? No. We're going to have earnings. We're going to have earnings. Like the actual earnings report is going to be coming out. The webcast is going to be in 2 hours, right? So we're going to cover the earnings report for Tesla. And we're going to be covering the webcast if possible, if my internet allows it. Because right now I am in a foreign country. I'm on holiday actually. But I decided to do some short streams every now and then just to bring it back home. No, I think the viewer count is low because of the algorithm. Yeah, my stream disconnected quite heavily the first time around, and it's doing a lot better now. Could be because there's a lot less congestion in the internet in Germany. See how my internet's doing right now. It's still fine. So far, so good, right? So the internet is still doing good. I cannot complain. All right, that should be fine. All right. So AMC is sitting at 40 again. Oh my gosh. PLTR 22.1, AI at 51.6. Both PLTR and AI looking really, really juicy right now at current prices. Virgin Galactic still sitting, in my opinion, is still sitting quite low. It could be sitting at 36, maybe 40 very soon. And guess what? NASDAQ is still making all-time highs. S&P making all-time highs. And we have the Dow Jones Let me check the Dow. The Dow Jones making all-time highs. Meanwhile, the Russell is just still... come on. The Russell's down from the all-time high. It's still down. So we haven't had an all-time high ever since March. That was the last time that we had an all-time high there. And it's still down 7% from that all-time high. But we do have good news. It's not just bad, but the MACD is crossing. That's a really, really good thing. RSI is neutral on the daily. Not bad, because if you would consider, look at this. So, neutral RSI on the Russell. And if we go to the NASDAQ, NASDAQ is overbought on the RSI. S&P is sitting way above neutral. Dow Jones is sitting a bit higher than where the Russell's sitting on the RSI. So yeah, I would say there's some room left for the Russell to be running. I think it's going to go back to the 2,300s. Probably retest that resistance. We'll see if it's going to stay there, but that's coming up for the coming days for the Russell. So I think growth stocks are going to do quite well. Especially because the 10-year has been laying low, right? So it's still sitting pretty low. It does look like it's going to spike very briefly. That should not be a problem, given that right now capital is moving out of the debt market and it's going back to the actual stock market, which is good. Overall, it's a good thing. So long as we don't see a big spike, I think it should be fine. Hold up. Is Lucid dumping right now? Some people are saying that Lucid is dumping. Oh, LCID. No, it's actually doing pretty well. I mean, it's still up 7% today. The daily MACD looks really good, so it seems like tomorrow is going to go up as well. I mean, my goal for CCIV, I said it on the Discord a couple days ago, was around 27. So a brief spike to 27, and then go down from there. Oh my gosh. Bitcoin is up 12.6%. Bitcoin hit 40,000 again. Ethereum up 9%. Yeah, Coinbase should be shooting. Look at that. Coinbase shooting upwards, like I said. And we also have Dogecoin going up 12%. Tesla. Oh my god, Tesla. Oh my gosh. What can I say about Tesla? It's been rather disappointing, to say the least. Tesla's been a bit of a disappointment the past couple months. Yeah, if anything, I mean, history would say that Tesla's going to go down here. But I think it won't. I think this time is going to be different for Tesla. Especially considering the weekly chart. It looks like the MACD is going to cross for the first week of August. All right, we have around 15 minutes left until the market is going to close. Make sure you hit the thumbs up right now. That would be very much appreciated. And we're going to be covering the earnings report for Tesla stock. We're going to see how people are going to be reacting towards the earnings report. It can go both ways at this point. I think it's probably going to hit around 700 and probably hit a little bit above 700, but that's just my opinion right now. Because Tesla's been moving quite little, right? It's been very weak for some time. Somebody said, I sold CCIV because of you, and it went up 14%. Hey, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just going to be my opinion. It's just for educational entertainment purposes. I also sold CCIV. I sold 50% of my position. I put that money in Didi, and Didi went up. Yeah, it's unfortunate. You can't have them all, right? I did say that 27 was possible, but I said 35 is going to be rather. It would be crazy if it would hit 35 after the news that they actually were going to authorize 15 billion shares, and we couldn't even like throw that away. That proposal was going to go through anyway. So yeah. That's fine. You can criticize me so long as you do it in a good fashion. Well, I'm gonna grab a bottle of water. Got a new bottle. Yeah, from Starbucks. I'm a hipster now. But yeah, it's gotta be cheap. It's good. It is. There we go. All right, we'll see what happens here for Tesla. No, I'm not. I'm not. I'm not tipsy or drunk, or I haven't had any alcohol. I can't believe that Tesla's still not running. Oh my gosh. No freaking way. Do you think growth stocks will go down due to lower earnings? Oh, lower low, sorry, after earnings. No, I think what's going to happen here is big tech is going to run up a little bit, and then it's going to sell off. And as big tech is selling off, the capital is going to go back to small caps and high risk stocks. Generally, we have big tech earnings first, and then we have small caps, right? So we'll see a run up in small caps for earnings, and then another sell off. Perhaps the China news is hurting Tesla. No, 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 no. It has to do with Bitcoin. It has to do with the cryptocurrencies. Hold up. Let me check what Lucid is doing. Lucid Motors. Yeah, it's now called Lucid Group, right? It's not Lucid Motors anymore. Palantir's awarded a $10 million military contract for space operations, somebody just said. Yeah, we have the end of the day sell-off right now for Lucid Motors. It makes sense. I mean, we don't have any big catalysts coming up for Lucid Motors, so it's selling off as we speak. The FOMC meeting tomorrow on Wednesday. Yeah, Jerome Powell's going to be speaking. I'll try to cover it, but I think it's going to take too long. So we'll see if I'm going to be able to do that tomorrow. Oh man, I'm so incredibly tired. I've been walking in Oldenburg, been strolling around. The people are very kind, and I do notice that the prices of things are cheaper than in the Netherlands, which is quite great. Hold up. Oh yeah, so like I said, in the future, if my connection is going to be bad, we're going to continue in the Discord. So make sure you join the Discord. The Discord link is going to be in the live chat. It's also in the description. Join the Discord. There's a voice channel there. So if this disconnects and my internet goes off, because of course I don't have good internet right now, just for this week, then we'll be continuing in the Discord, because the Discord uses their own servers, which makes it quite easy for me to cover stocks and show the chart. This would be like a temporary measure, because of course I'm still going to be away for the coming days. I'll be back in the Netherlands in about a week, right? So less than a week, actually, 5 days. Tell us, what did you do so far in Germany? Well, actually, we've been just kind of exploring the city, you know, seeing where everything is, all the shops and all the museums and everything. You know, eating awesome food, and I would say for the most part, actually shopping. So, just having fun, having a good time in Oldenburg. Test drive a Porsche if you get a change. Oh, that'd be great. Love to do that. But I'm more of a Tesla guy, you know what I mean? I'm more of an I'm a tree hugger. I'm a Tesla guy. Yeah, a girlfriend of mine actually lives in this city, and we hung out a little bit for a little bit. You know, had some ice cream and had some dinner together. It was pretty good. Gary, I hope you're having a great time in Germany. Can you check charts for LOTZ for a swing trade? No, I want to just check the core stocks that we have. Didi, Tesla, just a watch list, right? So just a watch list for now. I don't want to make it too complicated because we don't have a lot of time. Let's see. Snowflake is up 1.4%. Palantir is up 1.3%. Yeah, okay, so my core stocks, C3.ai, Palantir, Tesla, Didi. I love these stocks right now at the current prices. It's not financial advice, but yeah. Didi stabilized today. Yeah, I saw it was insane. Hedge funds started buying like crazy. They probably covered their short positions, if anything. Ah, darn it, man. Tesla's starting to move down. You're kidding me, right? You're absolutely kidding me. Alibaba. Darn it. Alibaba's sitting at 191. 572 billion market cap. Still heading lower now because of the China crackdowns. It's sitting at a support though. Quite a strong support. Yeah, you can see that. Actually, it went below that, it gapped below that. So it looks like we're going to see some consolidation here, maybe. It could still go back to around... hold on, let me just do that again. Let me just redo this. No, never mind. Yeah, so this is a Fibonacci retracement level. I think it's going to consolidate here. So let's just draw this properly. I still think it's going to pop for earnings, to be honest. I'm going to say it's going to retrace back up to fill the gap to the 210 short term. We have 4 minutes. 4 minutes until the market is going to close and until we get the earnings report for Tesla. Super excited about this. I think we're going to cover Tesla for now, maybe. Switch back and forth. Oh, Didi's going up. Look at that, Didi. Crazy. So Didi is starting to move the last minutes of the market. Lucid is going up. I saw the MACD. The MACD was looking quite bullish. It was looking really good. There we go. So it's... Atta boy. Let's go. Shooting upwards right now. Yeah, so the reason it's shooting up, I mean, it's looking very bullish short term, right? Look at the daily chart. It's crossing upwards. Now sitting at 26.6. La la la. Oh yeah, by the way, so if you do not want to miss out on any news or anything kind of related to the stock market or to whenever I'm going to be able to be live streaming this week, make sure you hit up the Instagram, follow me there, because I'll be updating you guys there on a daily basis. So check it out. The Instagram link is going to be in the description. I'm also going to be linking it down below in the live chat. So just so you guys know, because I am on my holiday right now, so I won't be able to stream as much as I would like to. There we go. I have to spam it so people can follow it. But yeah. Okay, 2 more minutes left. Gary, you were completely wrong about CCV. Earlier you had a prediction of 35.40. After including the share dilution vote, your prediction was down to 10 to 15. Oh, you shouldn't spam that, Ali. Let me just give you a little bit of a timeout for spamming. Yeah, so regarding that, so the idea was, I was completely baffled by the fact that they were trying to force the authorized shares through, so we had no choice in the matter. So I got really bearish on that, and I said it could go to $15. What I didn't say right after, because I do remember not saying it right away, but I said it a couple days later, it could still jump on the merger day, right? It could still spike to 27-ish, which I did say in the Discord. If you were in the Discord, you would have seen it. I made a prediction even prior to the merger completing, and I said it's going to hit roughly around 27. It actually hit 29, I believe. Then it's going to come back down slowly, go back to the lower 20s. $15 could be hit as well, because I do think a market correction is coming up. And of course, they still don't have any revenue. They've only sold 100 cars. They have 15 billion in authorized shares, and they're probably going to dilute the stock in the coming months. So I still think it's going to come down, but the spike happened because of the merger. All right, the market is now officially closed. Let's see what happens for Tesla. All eyes on Tesla right now. Let me just, there we go. It's covering my face. Absolutely beautiful. Market is now closed. All right. see if they're gonna report earnings right now. Tesla Q2 earnings. Investor relations. Their Q2 deliveries were pretty great. They had a record, I believe. Let's see if I can get the market watch on. I'm gonna go to market watch now. Yeah, TradingView doesn't really cover the essentials. Yeah, the report is not out yet, but if the price moves, then we know that the report is out. So any moment now. It's up slightly, but nothing really happening. Can I go? Is there like a full screen modus? I never used this, but maybe advanced charting? No, that's not that's not what I wanted. Let's go back. Refresh. Seems like we still have not gotten the earnings report yet, but there's enough time, so we'll see. All right. It's still not moving yet. I have got a bit of a gut feeling it's going to go down. Yeah, it's starting to move down. Something happened. Let's see. This is not earnings, right? Hold up. Any moment now. Still not released yet. Actually, let me just get it out here. Hold up. Why can't I cover? Second. All right. There we go. Nothing yet. Oh boy, I am a little nervous, I have to say. I'm a little bit nervous. We haven't seen a lot of upside for Tesla as of late. And history does suggest that after earnings, we usually see a drop of about 10 to 15%. Bitcoin is down 5%? What? No freaking way. Bitcoin is falling right now. No way. Oh yeah, it fell 5%. Yeah, it's still up though. Still up 12%. Tesla's up slightly. Look at that. Up 0.2%. Did it come out? No, not yet. Not yet. At least not. It's up now. Up. Okay, so something has happened. Obviously. Earnings date. Q2 update. Hold up. Yeah, so we haven't gotten earnings yet. But the stock is up 1.2%. I think we already have it. It's just not released on this site. Not yet. I think earnings is already out. Probably. It's up 1.6%, so, and it's moving. The volatility went up. Volume skyrocketed, so it's probably already out there. It's just on Twitter maybe. Yep. It seems like it. Yeah, up 1.7%. That's what we do. And I gave a price target of 670. We literally just hit 669.9, which is basically the target. 672. There we go. All right, Tesla is heading up 2.5%. This could be just the beginning of it because it hasn't been moving for a while, and there's a lot of capital available. Up 2.8% in the after hours. That's how we do. Congratulations to anybody holding Tesla. I don't want to jinx it. It could still fall, but this is looking good so far. See if we can grab earnings. There we go. All right, let's go. Shareholder deck. All right, so Q2 2021 update. Let me give an update to everybody that's watching so I can cover it for everybody out there. Live covering Tesla. La, la, la. Tesla to the moon. I have a boatload of Tesla. It's coming down now. It's just, are you freaking kidding me? Is it just gonna go flat, even though they had great earnings? I don't know what their earnings was, but all right. Let's see. Q2 2020 revenues from automotive: 5.2, 7.6, 9.3, 9, and then 10.2 billion. That's record earnings, and that's in Q2. Remember, right? So Q2 2021 versus Q2 2020, year-over-year growth of 97%. That is absolutely beautiful. They hit a record. So record earnings for Q2. We still have Q3 and Q4 coming, which are the strongest quarters of the year. You can see the difference. Q2 2020, we had 5.2 billion roughly. And Q4, we had 9.3 billion. The difference is absolutely insane. I think the same thing is going to be happening this year, where Q3 and Q4 are going to be absolutely just gorgeous, right? So looking pretty good. The automotive gross margin went up to 28.4. That is a record. That is amazing. That is beautiful. Total GAAP gross margin went up massively. Operating margin, oh my God, this is a beautiful freaking quarter. This is awesome. It should be skyrocketing. What is it? Why is it only up 2%? That is just... It's still down 25% from the all-time high right now. This is a good, very, very good quarter. This is a very, very, very good quarter. This is a very, 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 very good quarter. There's no freaking words for this. This is really good. I like what I'm seeing. This is amazing. Oh. I'm holding lots of Tesla stock at like a pretty low price, the lower 600s, and this is making me smile because I know the stock is going to run up. This is making me smile right now. Yeah, watch Tesla stock tomorrow. It's going to run up. There's no way around this. There's no freaking way. I haven't seen the whole report yet, so maybe I'm getting too excited right now. Masras coming in with a $5 donation. Yo, Mas, I hope the CCIV thing worked out well for you. I do remember you had some losses on CCIV. Cheers. Thank you for that $5 donation. What are your thoughts of Lucid right now? I think the daily is still bullish, so it could maybe return back to 27, 28. But I don't like it. I don't like it at the current price. They don't have any revenue. They don't have much going for them at the moment. So, plus they have 5 billion authorized shares, so they could pretty much dilute the shares very soon. They could issue more shares. So yeah, I don't really like it at the moment. I still have it. I still have some CCIV right now, or Lucid Motors to be honest. I'm not going to sell it. I'm just going to keep it. You know, I don't have a whole lot of capital in that. But I'm willing to risk it, right? So it's fine. I'm already up 20% on it, so. But yeah, thank you for that donation. Let me just quickly take a look at the live chat. The total revenue grew. I don't really care about this stuff. I only care about this, and I care about this, and I care about this. I care about this as well. Let me check. Gigafactory Berlin. This is looking good. Texas, Berlin and Texas are getting rolled out. Shanghai is expanding. That's good. Expansion continues. Key metrics. Yeah, we know this. Beautiful graphs. And then we have the... This is also a statement of operations, right? All right, let's see. So 6 point... Okay, so let's just compare, right? Let's see if we can compare right here. There we go. No, I think I need to view it this way. What's the EPS? Net income per share of common stock attributable to common stockholders. 1.18. That is a... Is that a beat? That is a beat, isn't it? That's a beat. That's a... Hold up. That's a freaking beat. That's an earnings beat. What's happening with the stock? Why is it not flying right now? It's only up 2%. It's at my target. I said it's going to reach 670 today. I said that on Thursday and Friday, I believe. Why is it not flying? This is crazy. They have an earnings beat. They beat earnings. 1.18 EPS. Unbelievable. Trust me, it's going to run up. If the market is going to be stable or green, it's going to run up. It's a big beat. Yeah, it is quite a bit. Yeah, the expected was 0.96 or something. Oops. I think it's going to go above 700 this week. 720 probably. There's no way. They have an earnings beat. They have record earnings. They have an earnings beat. This is happening during a period of time where it's really tough to be scaling up. Yet they're succeeding. Just imagine what happens when the chip shortage is not going to be a problem anymore. I mean, honestly, this was enough. 1.8. This is it. This is it. They have done it. Tesla's going to the moon. I honestly don't really care too much about the rest. EPS, revenue, everything was looking fine. Although we can look into the details later. Energy storage deployment more than tripled. Energy storage is tripling. That's good. Solar retrofit and solar roof. Solar deployment reached 85 megawatts. Also tripling. Services and other. Break even. All right, cool. Not really important. This is important. So autopilot and full self-driving. After selling over 1 million vehicles equipped with radar, we've collected enough data to start removing it in some regions. The removal of radar, which is enabled by our collection of a vast data set of corner cases, allows us to focus on vision and increase the pace of improvement. Our first customers downloaded full self-driving V9 beta in July, prompting strong positive feedback from current users. That is awesome. Vehicle software, our team demonstrated an unparalleled ability to react quickly, mitigate disruptions to manufacturing caused by semiconductor shortages. Our electrical and firmware engineering teams remain hard at work designing, developing, and validating 19 new variants of controllers in response to ongoing semiconductor shortages. All right, so they're actually they're adapting really fast. That's good. That's good. Battery and powertrain. We have successfully validated. We have successfully validated performance and lifetime of our 4680 cells produced at our Kato facility in California. Kato. We are nearing the end of manufacturing validation at Kato. Field quality and yield are at viable levels, and our focus is now on improving the 10% of manufacturing processes that currently bottleneck production output. While substantial progress has been made, we still have work ahead of us before we can achieve volume production. Internal crash testing of our structural pack. Okay, so they pretty much Elon did promise this to be a thing in early 2021. So this is also a bearish thing. The fact that this has been kind of delayed, the fact that full self-driving just gets delayed and delayed time and time again. And I would say the Bitcoin stuff was also kind of off-putting. That could be the reason why Tesla's still not skyrocketing. Production ramp of Model S progress over the course of Q2, and we expect it will continue to increase. Right, nothing important there. While we experienced minor interruptions due to supply chain challenges and factory upgrades, production in Shanghai remains strong per our planned roadmap. We recently introduced a standard range version of Model Y in China, which starts at 276,000 yuan post incentives. Due to strong U.S. demand and global average cost optimization, we have completed the transition of Gigafactory as the primary vehicle export hub. Oh, that's interesting. Well, that's just an excuse. Because I know why this is happening, the export, because they couldn't sell anything in in China for a time. Because of a controversy that happened. If you might know what I'm talking about. Let me check. Our global production European demand remains well above supply, resulting in growing wait times for delivery. Oh, darn it. I'm from Europe, so I probably, I do know that this is the case. We continue installing equipment, have begun testing tools, and are working as quickly as possible towards starting production in Berlin. Hey, that's in Germany. I am in Germany right now. Hey, if Elon is going to be in Berlin in the coming days, I might visit him. I'm just joking. It would be fun, though. It would be awesome. I would probably... I would work at the factory. No, I'm just kidding. While growing import volumes, I would try to get insider information. No, I'm just joking. While growing import volumes in the interim. Supercharger stations are going up substantially. That's good. Store and service locations, right? Looking pretty good. Decreasing a little bit because of COVID, probably. Nah, I don't know. No idea about that. Global vehicle inventory days of supply 9, decreasing. That's good. The inventory has to be low. Just to deliver as many as you can. Operating leases are up 75%. Interesting. The Model S and X obviously a lot less because they're now focusing more on the 3 and Y, and they're going to gradually pump up the S and X numbers. So, because the refresh is kind of rolling out right now. I don't get it. I really don't get it. This is just strange. Isn't that just strange? It's sitting at 661. Unbelievable. This is record earnings. We're talking about record earnings and still nothing. Meet Kevin did talk about this. I did hear him talk about that. Oh yeah, they have record earnings almost every single time. Earnings beat, yet it goes down. And I looked at the charts and I saw the same thing actually. That usually what happens is that you have record earnings and it just keeps going down afterwards, and then usually it starts skyrocketing again for deliveries. But let's take a look at the financial statement here again. Income, interest expense. Hold up, interest income. Okay, total cost of revenues. Of course, it's going to go up as you have more revenues. Gross profit 2.8. That's in millions, right? So that's 2.8 billion. Gross profit. Pretty great. Pretty great. That is a substantial increase. Their margins are up massively, sitting at 28%. I mean, what more can you ask? What more can you ask? Like, honestly, they have total revenues. Look at this. Total revenues of 12 billion. There's a good shot they're going to hit something like close to 15 billion in Q3. You got to think about this. There are 2 quarters left in this year. They had an earnings beat in Q1. They have an earnings beat in Q2. Guess what's going to happen? Q3 earnings beat, Q4 earnings beat. You remember the difference between Q2 and Q3 is massive. Look at this. Last year, Q2, 4.9 billion. Q3, 7.3 billion. That's massive. I think they could report over 50 billion in revenue this year. It's going to be absolutely nutty. Yet the stock price is just not liking it right now. This is so weird. Oh well, I have some patience, no problem. I'll hold the stock. No problemo. That's all I wanted to see, to be honest. The gap, gross margin, non-gap, EBITDA, everything's just improved. It's just at record levels. Everything is at record levels. This is more than what we asked for. This is more than what we asked for. This is absolutely beautiful. This is gorgeous. This is the best we could have gotten. Expect a rise in Tesla stock very soon. My target was for Tesla to hit 670 today. It did hit 670 very briefly. But I think it's going to run up above 700, and it's looking really, really good. It looks like we're going to have a very, very nice year for Tesla, especially as the Cybertruck is rolling out. You know, Semi-Trucks are already rolling out. Berlin, and we have Austin still coming out as well. This is looking pretty good. This is some exponential growth. All right, that was the earnings report. I'm going to see if I'm going to be able to cover the web call. I actually want to do this on the Discord if you guys don't mind. I think I'm very lucky for the fact that the internet has not broken off yet. So that's just amazing. Make sure you join the Discord community. We're going to cover the web call right there. I don't have to use my internet that heavily there. So a Discord link is in the live chat. It's also going to be in the description. Yeah, the stock price should be at 700 right now. I don't know why it's sitting at 665. So weird. It's a very weird phenomenon. Because they beat the they beat earnings. Very good quarter. But yeah, like I said, make sure you join the Discord. Discord link is going to be down below in the description. It's also in the live chat. We're going to be covering the web call in the Discord. I'm going to share the Instagram link as well because I'm going to be posting there very frequently over the coming days. I am in Germany right now. I'm having my holidays. I'll be live a little bit less than usual. I would say 30 minutes to maximum an hour per live stream. So yeah, and I'll also be uploading some videos if I have some time. And yeah, that's all temporary, of course. It's only this week that I'm on holiday, and then next week it's going to be back to normal. All right, everybody, thank you for watching. This was greater than... Oh my God, my hair looks so awful. Oh well. This is a lot better than I expected for Tesla Air. We couldn't have gotten anything better. This is pretty great. And yeah, that was it. Cheers, everybody. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow or in the Discord. If you have joined the Discord, we'll be covering the web call there in about 1 hour. So make sure you're there. We're going to listen to Elon. Maybe he has something important to say. Maybe not. We'll see. Cheers. Well, this was Lucid Trading. I'll be seeing you very, very soon. Peace out.